How are you pupils, wherever you are, in Dar es Salaam or out of Dar es Salaam? Welcome again in our class. Today we are going to learn about mathematics. We are going to look about perimeters. Perimeters of different shapes. My name is Teacher Robert. Welcome. We are going to learn about perimeters. We are going to look about perimeters of different shapes. Perimeters of different shapes. We are going to start with perimeter of pentagon. Perimeter of pentagon. 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 Perimeters of pentagon. Pentagon means what? Pentagon, these are figures with 5 sides or 5 angles. Figures with 5 sides or angles. Figures with 5 sides or 5 angles. Example of these figures. This is example of pentagon. This is example of pentagon. Means the figure with 5 sides or 5 angles. We mean it's called pentagon. So now, if you are asked to calculate the perimeter of a pentagon, what you are supposed to do means we know that the formulas to calculate the perimeter of any kind of figure, we add all sides. We add all sides. So means is to add all sides. Now, if we have been given this figure and we have been given here, let's say 6 centimeter, 7 centimeter, 4 centimeter, have here 10 centimeter, and here we have, let's say 5 centimeter. So our pentagon is here. Now the question says to calculate the perimeter of this figure. The things to do is to add all sides. We start to add, means we say this is 10 centimeter. So now we start to add 10 centimeter. We add by 7 centimeter. 7 centimeter. Followed by 6 centimeter. 6 centimeter. Add by 4 centimeter. 4 centimeter. And the last one is 5 centimeter. Make sure that you count your sides. You count the sides of the figure. Means the side number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 sides. Now when you add, say the first one is this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 5 sides. Now you are going to add. So we add 10. Add by 7, we have 17 centimeter. Add by 6 and 4. We have 10 centimeter. Then we add 5. The last one. So now we have 10. Add by 17. We have 27 centimeter. Then the last angle is 5 centimeter. So we add by 5 centimeter. So when you add, you will get to what here? Have 2 centimeter. So you make sure you underline your answer. So as I said before, when we calculate the perimeter of a pentagon, means we add all sides. So you collect all the sides of the figure, then you add all together. Means you get the perimeter of a pentagon. So in order to get the perimeter of pentagon, means make sure you add all sides. Another example of pentagon. Let's go together. Example number 2. Have here example 1. Sorry. Example number 2. Example number 2. So now look this figure. We said pentagon is a figure with 5 sides or 5 angles. The figure with 5 sides or 5 angles. So we look this figure. This is pentagon because the figure has 5 sides or 5 angles. Now let's go together here. There is a sign on our figure. Now have been given here, let's say 30 centimeter. Then we have been given here 25 centimeter. Then I've been given here I have 15 centimeter. Then the other side here we have 10 centimeter. Now look up here. This is pentagon. And in order to calculate the perimeter of a pentagon, we say we add all sides. And our figure is this one. So now, add all sides. This is our formula. Add all sides. So when we add all sides means side number 1, number 2, number 3, 4, and this is 5. So let's add. First of all, look the figure. We have this side and this side. We have the sign to show that this side and this side are equal or are the same. So the value that you have been given this side, it is 30, and this one also will be 30 according to the sign that you have been given here. So now let's go to add. Means we have the side number 1, it is 30 centimeter. We have side number 2, we have also 30 centimeter. Side number 3, we have 25 centimeter. Another side we have 15 centimeter, and the last one we have 10 centimeter. So the things remaining here is only to add. So let's add together. 30 plus 30 we have 60 centimeter, plus we have here 25 centimeter plus 15 centimeter, we have 40 centimeter, and the last one we have 10 centimeter. So let's add again. We have here 60 add by 40. We're getting 100 centimeter plus the last side is 10 centimeter. So when you add here, you're getting 110 centimeter. So this is the perimeter of the figure that you have been given here. So make sure you remember the formula of the figure. Means that when the question says calculate the perimeter, remember that it is to add all sides. But in the challenge of our figure, it is to look the side that you have been given. This side there is no number. So if there is no number, look the value of this side because have the same sides. Now, let's go to look about the perimeter of hexagon. The perimeter of hexagon. Sorry. Perimeter of hexagon. The perimeter of hexagon. Let's go to look about hexagon. When you talk about hexagon means what? Hexagon, these are figures with side with 60 sides or 60 angles. These are figures. Figures with 6 sides or angles. So it means hexagon figure with 6 sides or 60 angles. But the formula means what? The formula to calculate the perimeter of hexagon means is to add all sides. Add all sides. Let's show an example of hexagon. Hexagon. Sorry. Hexagon, it looks like this. means we call this as hexagon. So this is a figure with 60 sides or 6 angles. When you count, there is angle number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And also look the side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is called hexagon. Now, in order to calculate the perimeter of hexagon, what we are supposed to do is to add all sides. As I said, add all sides. This is the formula to calculate the perimeter of hexagon. For example, this is our hexagon now. I've been given these sides, look, of 10 centimeter. Say here also, let's put this side here. I've also 10 centimeter. I've been given also 10 centimeter. Only that one. So, calculating the perimeter of hexagon. Calculate the perimeter of this hexagon. What should we do? Mean that in order to get the perimeter of this figure is to add all sides. But when you look at the figure, we have been given the sign. This sign indicates that or show that all sides are equal. All sides are equal. So if this side it is 10 centimeter, means also is 10 centimeter, 10 centimeter, 10 centimeter. All sides around the figure, it is equal to 10 centimeter. So when we add all sides means what? There are 6 sides. You can add like this 10 centimeter plus 10 centimeter plus 10 centimeter plus 10 centimeter plus 10 centimeter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 10 centimeter. Or you can say it is 10 times 6 because there are 6 equal sides. So you can say it is 10 times 60 sides because all sides are equal. Or you can add like this one. Also, you will be right. So let's add together. When you say 10 plus 10 means 10 times 60, you will get means 10 centimeter times 60, you will get 60 centimeter. So means therefore the perimeter equals to 60 centimeter. This means this will be your answer. So it's not hard. Hexagon means, remember, it is a figure with 60 or 60 sides or 60 angles. So means the formula is to add all sides. So you're supposed to add all sides. When you add all sides, you will get it 60 centimeter. Let's give you an example number 2. This is example 1. Example 1. Example number 2 about hexagon means we can say the figure with 60 sides. Let's draw the figure with 60 sides. Now, let's look about this one. This is also the figure with 60 sides or 60 angles. So now let's look about this one. How to calculate the perimeter of this figure means we are supposed, the formula is to add all sides. First of all, counting the sides and also look the number in each side. Look the number in each sides. Now, calculate the perimeter. Let's look here, I've been given, let's say, 18 centimeter, 24 centimeter, 6 centimeters. Here I've been given, let's say, 18 centimeters,
Also here, let's say I'm given here also 18 centimeters, and here I'm given say 60 centimeters.
So calculate the perimeter of this figure. Calculate the perimeter of this figure. Calculate the perimeter of this figure means that you are supposed to add all sides. Add all sides. The formula is add all sides. Add all sides. So when you add all sides, the first side is what? 36. Add 60 centimeters. The second side is 24 centimeters. Another side is 18 centimeters. We have again 6 centimeters. We have 18 centimeters, and the last side you have also 18 centimeters. So when you count all sides, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6 sides. The formula is to add all sides. So remember to add it correctly. Now, we're going to add, we have 36 and 24. 60 plus 4, we have 10. We carry 1. We have 3 plus 2. We have 5. Okay, remember we carried 1. So when we add here, we have 60 centimeters. Then 18 centimeters plus 6 centimeters, we have 24 centimeters, and the last side we have 18 plus 18, we have what? That 60 centimeters. Now we are going to add 24 and that 60. 24 and that 60 also, we have 60 centimeters plus 60 centimeters. Now let's add. We have 0 and 0, have 0. 60 plus 6, we have 12. Now the perimeter equals to 120 centimeters. 120 centimeters. So this is the perimeter. So remember that the formula to get the perimeter of any figure. The formula to get the perimeter of any figure is to add all sides, because the perimeter means the total number, the total length or the total number around the figure. The total number around the figure, when you add, you get to what? Perimeter. Now, after these examples, I'm going to give you an exercise for you. I'm going to give you an exercise according to the now. Calculating the perimeter of the following figures. Calculating the perimeter of the following figures. Number 1. Sir. Have 8 centimeter, have 10 centimeter, then we also have 20 centimeter. The last time here we have also we have 24 centimeter. This is figure number 1. Question number 2 is Sorry. Centimeter, question number 3. Question number 3, this one. Now, this is the exercise for you. The question says calculate the perimeter of the following figures. So make sure that you find the perimeter of these figures. Remember the formula, as I said before, that the formula is to add all sides. So I wish you a nice moment. Thank you for listening to me. Now, before ending the lesson, I want to remind you that COVID-19 it is in our country, and it is better for us to take our precautions against the COVID-19. I wish you a nice moment. Thank you very much.